How to add Revolut Junior to Google Play. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add Revolut Junior to your Google Play account. So first of all, just open your Google Play in your device or Play Store. So first of all, just open Play Store or Google Play in your device, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen, and over here just go to the payment and subscription options from the list given below, and now just simply click on payment method, and after that the payment method section will open up for you. So just simply click on add credit or debit card right here, and after clicking on credit and debit card, and after that just get your Revolut Junior card with you, and if you don't have the Revolut Junior card with you, just simply click on get Revolut, and after that just get the Revolut Junior card for yourself on your name. And once you get your Revolut Junior card with you, just copy your Revolut Junior card code number, and after that just copy the expiration date and CVC code written on your Revolut Junior card. And once you get the credentials like your Revolut Junior card number and other details, just open your Google Play Store again, and after that on the add credit and debit section just enter your Revolut Junior card number and just enter the CVC code and other details and click on save. And this way your Revolut Junior card will be added to your Google Play account, and after that you will be able to use it. And this way you will be able to add your Revolut Junior to your Google Play. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.